Have you ever started a body care routine and a few days later you've already fallen off? Not because you didn't care, but because it just didn't fit into your life. That's actually the part most people don't talk about. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a body care routine that actually sticks, especially if your skin tends to feel dry or sensitive, and how a few small shifts can make it feel a lot more doable. Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back. Most routines fall off for one simple reason. They require too much effort to maintain. You find yourself trying to add more steps, more products, more time, and it works for a few days. Then life happens. I've even tried some of those popular multi-step routines myself, and honestly, it lasted one night. Instead of feeling relaxed and ready for bed, I found myself thinking about all the steps I had to do. It started to feel like a chore. And that's when I realized, if a routine starts to feel like something you're dreading, it's probably not going to last. So the goal isn't to build the perfect routine, because what is perfect anyway? It's to build one that actually fits into your life. And one of the easiest ways to make that happen is something called habit stacking. Instead of trying to create a brand new habit, you attach body care to something you already do every day. For example, you already shower. So instead of thinking, I need to remember to moisturize, you can make it part of what happens right after. Shower, apply oil, then get dressed. See how it's stacked in between two things you already do. No extra decision required. One small shift helps a lot. Apply your oil or moisturizer before you put on your pajamas. Not later, not when you remember, not when your skin starts itching, right then. Because once you're dressed, you're much less likely to go back and do it. That one change removes friction. This is something I see all the time. It's not that people don't have good products. It's that the routine isn't anchored to their day. And when it's not anchored, it usually doesn't stick. If your skin tends to feel dry, tight, or sensitive, there are just a few non-negotiables that make the biggest difference. You don't need 10 steps, just these. Cleanse in a way that leaves your skin feeling comfortable, not stripped. Apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. And consistently care for the areas that tend to dry out fastest, like your legs, elbows, hands, my knees. That's it. When those become part of your daily rhythm, you may start to notice your skin feels more comfortable over time. Quick question. What part of your routine feels the easiest to stick to? And what's the one that tends to get skipped? Let me know in the comments. A lot of women feel like they need more discipline. But most of the time, it's not about discipline. It's about designing a routine that works with your life, not against it. So if your routine hasn't been sticking, you don't need to add more. You can simplify it, anchor it. Remember, something you do, anchor it between something you already do, and make it part of something you're already doing. Because the routines that work are the ones you don't have to think about. So thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.